Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change eBay personal account to a business account. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I already made multiple videos about this topic. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, to change from personal account or individual account to business account is you want to click on my eBay in the top right, and you want to click on summary in the top right. Now after that, guys, like the reason why you need to like change or convert your personal account to business is because of taxes. So when you start receiving money to you, like when you start selling like products with over $500 in total, then you will be required, guys, to convert to a business account. It's like about taxes, stuff like that. Now you want to click on account here. Now after, guys, you click on account, you want to click on personal account, and here you will be able to change. I'm going to zoom out, and here I'm going to log in into my account. Okay, so here is the place where you can change from individual to a business account. As you can see, my account now is individual. Now next to it you will be able to see the edit button here. Now if you don't see it, that means you haven't reached 3 sales in the last year. Okay, so you have to have some sales on your eBay to be able to see the edit button here. Now if you have the edit button, click on it and then change from individual to a business account. Okay, that's all you need to do, guys. Okay, it's not that hard. Now if you don't have here the edit button, that means you haven't reached 3 sales in the last month. So you have to receive some sales on eBay in order to change from individual or personal to a business account. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If there is anything you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone, guys. Drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial.